PowerPros.
Hello everyone and welcome to the PowerUp video tutorial series. My name is Chris Shorter and I'm the creator of the PowerUp app. Today we're going to go through how to install the application and run it on your computer. So the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the PowerUp GitHub page. This will be available in the Discord and I'll also put a link to it below in the description. Here you'll see the source code for the app as well as an overview of what it does and a use guide that will help you walk through the features of the app. To install it, we'll want to go to the releases page here. On this page you'll see every version of the app that's been released, starting with the most recent version. Here this version 0.0.4 alpha is the most recent one, so I'll go and expand the assets section here. And you'll see there's two different versions, one for OS X and one for Windows. So since I'm using a Windows computer, I'll go ahead and download the Windows version of the app. Now, once this downloads, we will go navigate to the Downloads folder. And the first thing that we'll want to do here is extract all files. So if I right click and say extract all, and just the default folder is fine, and I will say extract. What this will do is it'll create a flat folder inside of downloads, so now it'll be easier to work with. The next thing I'll do is I will move this folder to somewhere more permanent. That way if for some reason I'm trying to clear the downloads folder at some point, I don't accidentally delete my PowerUp app and all the database that I've worked on. So I'll go ahead and cut it and paste it inside of the C drive. Now you'll see the PowerUp folder is right inside the C drive, and I'll go ahead and navigate to the inside of it. Now inside of this folder, these are all of the different assets that the PowerUp app needs in order to run correctly. If you move the PowerUp.exe file outside of this folder and try to run it, it won't run correctly because it needs access to all of the things in this folder. So in order to make it easier to run, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click it and say create shortcut. And now I'm going to cut this shortcut and paste it onto my desktop. Now, anytime that I want to run the application, instead of having to navigate to the PowerUp folder, I can just go ahead and do it right from my desktop. So now we have the PowerUp application up and running. When it loads, you'll see that for now, the only roster available will be the base PowerPros roster from the 07 version of the PowerUp game, the PowerPros game I mean. And if you want to learn more about how to use the app and how to use all of its features, you can always click this help icon up in the upper right. And when you do that, it'll open your browser right to the use guide portion of the PowerUp GitHub page. And you can see there how to use all of the features of the app. So next time we will talk about how to edit rosters and teams so you can start to build your PowerUp database and start using your custom players in the game.